My next video is going to be on how you can sell the Hamster Kombat tokens that will be sent to your wallet during the airdrop and withdraw the money into your bank account. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. I will upload the video next. Now let's do this one. Move this way, move these two up, move the greens, all of them, to the right, bring this two down, move this way, move the reds up, okay, move them up so this can go all the way, bring all reds down, okay, bring all reds down. Now move this and this towards this direction so this can go up, move this way, bring this and this down, push it backwards, move that up, push the key in, move this backwards, okay, now return the key, push that up, move that this way, return all of them down, and the key passes.